Hey, it's Jen. When we are caring for someone, whether that be a child or adult, a senior, whomever, it's so important to be in touch with who they are and what they need. A few examples, when my daughter was growing up, obviously I knew what she needed and had that connection with her. So it was so much easier to care for her with, the sensitivity issues she was going through and being neurodivergent and such. With my dad, when my mom passed away, I knew the ins and outs of how my mom and dad operated on a daily basis. Mom was my best friend, and I was able to, observe them and just, know how she had her routines with my dad, because my dad lived like a king with my mama. And so when mom passed away, the transition of me taking over mom's roles of being able to support my dad and his daily routine was a little easier. I was able to implement the things that I knew she did, and it made it less stressful for him, because with Alzheimer's it's pretty challenging when there are changes and stress, because it shuts down the brain even more. So I just encourage us all to really look at the people we're caring for and be in tune with them and what they need and how they operate, so it's a smooth transition for you.